Good morning, Jose. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
So you're going to be a speaker on the DI Summit 2019, right?
Indeed, yes.
So tell us, what are you going to talk about it?
We're going to talk about the air pollution problem in Brussels. This is part of a project that comes from Les Chercheurs d'Air, who is a non-profit association.
And this study that you do, for whom it is?
It's first for this association because they want to make awareness among other citizens and among the political world about the actual problem of air pollution in Brussels.
Okay, and can you tell us the technology behind, like the technology stack?
Sure. In fact, this comes from a broader project. The University of Stuttgart has developed some small sensors that are not very expensive that each one can install at his place. And so Les Chercheurs d'Air is distributing those sensors here in Brussels. Then all the data is collected by Luftdaten, that's part of the University of Stuttgart. And then from that we take on and we have developed our own technologies using mainly R for the data heavy lifting and some other scripting languages.
Okay, and in this process, what is your role?
I'm the only technical guy in this association, so my role is to do everything which is related to computers. I start from collecting the data, cleaning the data, producing statistics, and then also communicating. So I've been one of the co-authors of the report that has been published recently.
And did you face some challenges on the process, or?
There are quite a few challenges. There are technical challenges because there is lots of data here. In fact, only for Brussels we have around 100,000 measurements per day, so that's a lot of data. But we have first to filter from data which is for all Europe. We also have challenges like cleaning the data. So you have the hardware part, and you think it works, but it doesn't. So you have to clean out some erroneous data coming from the sensors. And then you have like other challenges more in terms of communication. You go from a very technical subject and you have to communicate that to a broader public.
Okay, so what is that make you stick on this?
I'm very concerned by that problem. I live in Brussels, I bike in Brussels, so I feel that the air quality is not always very good and there is not official communication from this. And so with Les Chercheurs d'Air, we are trying to raise more awareness. We are building a citizen science project. We do this independently from the government, other institutions, and we try to create awareness among the other citizens and the political world.
Really good. So where do you see this project in the future?
I think this is just the beginning. We started only in February this year, so we've only working for 3 months. And our first study is just the initial statistics. We only show the extent of the problem, but we want to go further than that. Now we want to understand why we have air pollution. Is it linked to the road traffic? Is it linked to, I don't know, to heating? We don't know. So now we have to investigate further and understand where this pollution is coming from.
Really interesting. So would you like to comment something, add something?
Yes, I'm also coming here because we are all volunteers at Les Chercheurs d'Air. So if there are other people that would like to join in this project, they are really welcome.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. It's been really interesting.
Thank you.